Alright, I got that edge in on the edge of the roof, the side of the roof there. Gotta do the other one, and then it's onto the door. So here, this plastic door, it's got a little bit of a flare out that shouldn't be there, so I'm going to use my favorite tool here, the Dremel, and cut that sucker off. Piece of cake. There you can see this hinge. Well, I got the hinge on the bottom attached. This one, I got to make these holes bigger to the left there, fit those screws, and I'll do that with my Dremel here. So get this guy out. Looking too much of a mess. That should do it. What I'm going to do, because I made those holes bigger, I'm going to put washers on there so it'll still grip that plate, that hinge. And what I'm going to do is, I've done this on all the bolts, or all the screws, sheet metal screws. I put some glue on there to really make sure I get a good contact and good seal, it doesn't come loose. Almost done. I patched that hole with some Bondo and put on some white oil-based paint. So that should be good enough for a shed. Patching that hole. So now, after 15 hours of assembly time, I got this shed assembled. And despite its flimsy materials, the floors, walls, and ceiling are made of plastic, and frame is made of aluminum rods. I think it's a workout. This will be okay, and it's nice to have those shells in there. But yeah, 15 hours of assembly time. That's a lot of work to put this thing together. And also the price, $1,086 for this thing with 4 shells in it. So 4x6. I think I'm going to do a shed again in the future. I'm going to buy some plans and make something out of wood myself. Just do it myself.